Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Grace, and welcome back to our English class. Our lesson for today is Theme 4, Body and Face. Lesson 3, it's phonics time. Get ready with your students' book. Let's start with the alphabet song. Let's sing along.
The alphabet song. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F,
D, E, F,
G, H, I,
G, H, I,
J, K, L,
J, K, L,
M, N, O,
M, N, O,
P, Q, R,
P, Q, R,
S, T,
S, T,
U, V,
U, V,
W,
W,
X, Y, Z, yeah.
X, Y, Z.
That's fun! Let's sing it again! Ready, set, go! A, B, C,
A, B, C,
D, E, F,
D, E, F,
G, H, I,
G, H, I,
J, K, L,
J, K, L,
M, N, O,
M, N, O,
P, Q, R,
P, Q, R,
S, T,
S, T,
U, V,
U, V,
W,
W,
X, Y, Z, yeah.
X, Y, Z.
The alphabet song. I love the alphabet song.
Wonderful! It's time to learn 3 letters for today in our phonics lesson. The first letter is letter J. Let's learn the sound of letter J. Page 40. Listen carefully.
Theme 4, Body and Face. Lesson 3. Letter J. 1. Listen and repeat.
J,
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 J.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
J,
J,
J.
J.
Jump,
Jump.
J,
J,
J.
J.
Juice,
Juice. Number 3. Now we are going to listen and sing along. We are going to do the action just like this lady. We are going to jump with our hands up.
everybody jump. J, J, jump. Everybody jump. J, J, J. Everybody jump. J, J, jump. Everybody jump. J, J, J.
In number 4, we are going to listen and play.
4. Listen and play.
Jump when you hear the J sound.
1.
J, E, J, J, L, K, J,
2.
J, L, J, J, E, J, G, K, J, J, P, J,
3.
J, J, K, J, L, J, G, J, J.
Yay! Next letter. Letter K. Let's learn the sound of letter K.
Letter K. 1. Listen and repeat. 2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
Kick,
Kick.
kite,
Kite. All right, in number 3, we are going to listen and sing along with the sound of K. And we are going to kick. Okay, let's go.
I can kick. Kick. I can kick. I can kick. Kick. I can kick.
Wonderful. Number 4. Listen and play again with Teacher Grace.
4. Listen and play.
hop when you hear the K sound.
1.
J, K, M, K, D,
2.
J, K, I, K, P, K, M, D,
3.
M, L, P, D, L.
Our next letter is letter L. Let's learn about the sound of letter L. Listen carefully.
Letter L. 1. Listen and repeat.
L,
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 L.
L. Number 2.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
L,
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 L.
love,
Love.
L,
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 L.
leaf,
Leaf. Okay, number 3 again. This is our last song for today. Listen and sing along with the action like this. Love.
I love my mom. Love. I love my mom. I love my mom. Love. I love my mom.
Wonderful! Number 4. Listen and play.
clap when you hear the L sound.
1.
L, I, L, L, J, L,
2.
L, L, J, L, I, L, G, J, L, L, L,
3.
I, L, L, J, L, L, J, L, G, L, L.
Yay! Did you do everything correctly? Great job! It's review time! Page 41. A. Circle the correct beginning sounds. Number 1, love. Is it J, K, or L? Circle the correct beginning sound. Number 2, jump. D, K, L. Circle the correct beginning sound. Number 3, kite. D, K, L. Circle the correct beginning sound. Letter B, write the correct beginning sounds. This time you're going to write kick. Write the beginning sound. Number 2, lift. L. Write the beginning sound. Number 3, jump. D. Write the beginning sound. Letter C, write the correct beginning sounds. Love. What letter is it? Number 2, J. Juice. What letter is it? D. Number 3, kite. K. What letter is it? It's workbook time! Open your workbook on pages 36 and 37. Page 36, letter A. Trace the letters. You are going to trace the big letters and the small letters. Make it beautiful, okay? Letter B. Look and draw lines. Example, what is it? Juice. Juice begins with letter J. J. So big letter and small letter. So number 1 and number 2, do it yourself. Letter C. Circle the correct beginning sounds. Number 1 example. Kite. K. L. The correct beginning sound of kite is K. So circle K, right? Okay, number 2. Lift. J or L. Circle the correct beginning sound. Number 3, juice. J or K. Circle the correct beginning sound. Number 4, jump. K or D. Circle the correct beginning sound. And lastly, letter D, page 37. Write the beginning sounds. Number 1 is an example for you. L. This is love. Number 2, kick. K. Number 3, lift. L. Number 4, juice. D. And we're done with our phonics lesson today. I hope you enjoy everything that we did, from song to sounds and everything. And see you again next time. Goodbye!